Jai Hind everyone, myself Maya Tungaria. I welcome you all for today's presentation. I am going to explain you about what is nutrition and its effective plan. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which the body takes in and uses food. Good nutrition enhances your quality of life and helps you to prevent diseases. Nutrition focuses on foods and substances in foods that helps animals and plants to grow and stay healthy. The foods we eat provide energy, calories and nutrients such as protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals and water. Eating healthy foods in the right amounts gives your body energy to perform daily activities, helps you to maintain a healthy body weight and can lower your risk for certain diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Its nutrition provides you with the calories and nutrients your body needs for maximum energy and wellness. Definition of nutrient. A nutrient is defined as a substance in food that is used by the body to promote growth, repair and maintenance. Nutrients are chemical compounds in food that are used by the body to function properly and maintain health. Examples include proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Effective nutrition plan. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Attempt to eat 4 to 6 meals per day. Minimum 8 glasses of water per day. Attempt to consume carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in every meal. Vegetables are the best sources of vitamins and minerals. Read labels and understand serving sizes. Supplements should be used as supplements. Make a lifestyle change. Diets often fail. Further slide will be continued by Jagruti.
How can you tell if a person is well nourished and healthy? Here are the signs of healthy body: clear eyes, clean and smooth skin, a general appearance of vitality and well being, good body posture, absence of any pain, resistance to any infection. Let us see now characteristics of healthy diet. First of all, a healthy diet is a diet that helps maintain or improve overall health. The diet is able to satisfy one's energy and nutrient needs for body function, growth and development, to do daily activities and maintain of health. The food is of good quality and quantity of consumption is enough for a person. The diet emphasizes vegetables, fruits, whole grains, fat free or low fat milk, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. It is also low in saturated fats, trans fats, cholesterol, sodium, and added sugar. Developing good nutrition. Further, the next slide will be explained by Saraswati.
Developing good nutrition is practicing good eating habits. Here are some ways to develop good nutrition and sound and healthy well-being. Eat the right kind and the right amount of food. Pack a home prepared school lunch. Eat nutritious snack. Avoid eating spicy foods. Have plenty of rest and outdoor exercise. Eat your meal on time and in company of your family. Developing food nutrition habits. Choose whole, real food. Build meals using variety of plant and animal basis foods rather than food-like products. Add vegetables to your diet, which are loaded with nutrients to keep your body healthy. They are first-line defense for avoiding chronic disease. Choose smarter carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are your body's primary energy source and essential to keep you at your best on or off shift. Options such as fruits, potatoes, beans, and legumes and whole grain are great smarter carbohydrate options. Benefits of a nutritious diet: have more energy, prevent disease, live a happier and healthier lifestyle, better quality sleep, lose weight, and so much more. The next slide will be presented by Kalavati.
We all know how much fruits are beneficial for our body. Hence, we should eat these fruits for good health. Apples lower the risk of asthma and diabetes. Mangoes reduce the risk of blindness in adults. Cherries help ease arthritis pain. Avocados reduce the risk of heart disease. Grapes regulate blood pressure levels. Raspberries boost metabolism. Oranges lower cholesterol and triglyceride. Grapefruit lowers cholesterol. Blackberries treat gout. Benefits of yoga: improves posture. Working for long hours on a desk could not only hurt your spine but also make you feel tired at the end of the day. Practicing certain yoga asanas could help you in improving your posture and also prevent pain in your neck and lower back. Increases flexibility. When was the last time you wished you could easily touch your toes while bending forward? Well, practicing yoga could help you in that. Yoga can not only help you in increasing your flexibility but also let you perform complex asanas. Builds muscle strength. Yoga could help in strengthening weak muscles of the body. It helps in toning, which prevents frequent straining of the muscles. Boost metabolism. Yoga helps in retaining the vitality in your body along with keeping it fit. It motivates you towards healthy eating and improves the metabolic system of the body. Helps in lowering blood sugar. Yoga not only helps in lowering blood sugar but also lowers bad cholesterol and boosts good cholesterol. It encourages weight loss and improves the body's sensitivity to insulin. Increases blood flow. The relaxation exercises in yoga regulates blood to all parts of your body. Exercises such as handstand helps venous blood from the lower part of the body to flow back to your heart, where it can be pumped back to the lungs to be oxygenated. Keep diseases at bay. Yoga exercises have a beneficial effect on the immune system. It not only helps in destroying various viruses we catch during season change but also boosts our immunity to fight off diseases. Increases self esteem. Practicing yoga would help you explore a different side of yourself. It would make you feel good about yourself and helps you take a positive approach in life. Improves lung function. A lot of breathing exercises are said to improve lung function. Doing such exercises in a long run could cure respiratory problems. It also increases the capacity of our lungs. Helps you sleep better. Yoga helps in reducing stress and creates a routine which in turn makes a regular sleep pattern. A relaxed body gets a deeper and more peaceful sleep. Thank you so much.